What can I do productively with my time while we're limited in our ability to shoot for clients during this time of crisis? Instead of looking at the next few months as a curse on my business, I'm trying to think about it proactively as an opportunity to take time to work on my business instead of getting buried working in my business. I'm not downplaying the seriousness of this situation, it will affect us all in negative ways, but I'm going to try and take this opportunity to do things I've been meaning to do for the last year or so. I just never got round to it because I've been so busy in my daily routines. So here's a list of a few things I've decided to put on my to-do list during this lockdown. I hope by sharing this it will give you some ideas too. Improve your video knowledge skills. Making time to learn new techniques and tips is really important to gaining more skills to do your job well. For example, I've recently discovered this free 1-hour workshop from Shane Hulbert's Academy. If you've not heard of him before, he is a Hollywood cinematographer who's been around in the film industry for decades. In this particular workshop, he goes into detail about key lighting positions on the human face, so if you're an uber film nerd like me, you should check it out. I'm not sure how long it's going to be free, but I'll put the link in the description below for you. Get caught up on edits. It's a great feeling when you're up to date on edits. You won't feel as guilty when you're playing Animal Crossing for 6 hours straight. Learn new colour grade techniques in DAVINCI Resolve. I'm looking to up my game on colour grading and I stumbled across this channel from Quasi. He really knows his stuff when it comes to grading and DAVINCI Resolve. He posts plenty of tutorials on how to get the best out of your video clips, so go check him out. Update your website and social media channels. Give it a little spring clean, add some scheduled posts for the week and even the month. I've put together a little social media practice guide. It's a 16-page PDF and it's totally free when you sign up to my newsletter. Create passive streams of revenue so you aren't depending on trading time for money. Little avenues of income build up. It's not going to be a huge amount, but every little helps. You can do this by selling stock footage. Now is probably a great time to mine all your hard drives for potential stock footage to upload. There's tons of stock footage websites out there like Shutterstock, Pond5 and Storyblocks, just to name a few, so go check it out. Lastly, become an Amazon affiliate for products you use and recommend. I always add links to all the gear I use in the descriptions of my videos. Maybe add the links to your website's blogs and videos too. Like I said earlier, you're not going to be rich from it, but it all helps that little bit extra. Take care of yourselves out there, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.